All right, everybody, we are here at the Freedom Factory for the first Summer Nights here in the USA.
We're gonna have a good weekend, boys. We got burnouts, we got sick cars. Jerry's gonna dance in the rain, I'm pretty sure, at some point, because that's gonna happen. It's gonna be a good time.
I went to Summer Nights 2 years ago with Diego, and I told them that I wanted to compete. And now, somehow, I'm gonna compete, and I'm excited. Am I nervous? Yes. But worst comes to worst, the car just breaks. So let's find out. Down. We came here to do what we do best, do some hooning. And the best place in the world to do it right now is in Florida. Let's get it done.
We just clean as shit!
We're in the development burnout. So if you're wondering why did I place myself in this category, simple reason. Number one, my car doesn't make a lot of power. It's not like a handicap to myself, but it's just like if I had my blower set up or my N8 build engine, I would enter open. But it is what it is. What am I gonna do? I'm happy to be here.
First of all, your boy's handy with the camera.
You are.
I can get it done. Second of all, those crab walks are nasty.
So, Mr. Diaz, the officiant at Summer Nats let me know development means I could actually move on to the next round.
Oh, like you could move up in class at the event?
I can move up in class and to the next round.
That's pretty tight.
And I will find out later today if I actually made it.
Yeah, dude, you ripped, you killed it. No one's car really broke, and you got a spark plug wire out.
Yeah, spark plug wire out.
Easy fixes.
I've got an extra spark plug wire out. It's Jensen's car's on fire.
Let's help him. You got water? You got water? Water. Right there. Grab that. Good? Save it, John!
You're supposed to spray it on the car.
Nice.
But
how do you feel about this? You manifested this literally 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
We were at Summer Nats.
We were at Summer Nats, Australia. I'm looking at Diego. I was like, I could do this. I could do this to a certain extent. And when I mean a certain extent, it was like, I know what this car was capable of when I wanted to do that.
Yeah.
We came here and then we're here. I'm super appreciative.
You're doing it.
Everybody, I have all my friends here, and I'm in development.
It's only up from here. It's only up from here, baby. G did it. Gary's in the competition. He qualified, boys. He qualified.
Yes.
I'm so happy, dude.
I was sitting here on the phone, and I kept refreshing. Adrian drove by. I was like, did I qualify? He said, I don't know.
It's like, I don't know.
And then I'm sitting here and digging in my butt twin, and then I'm like, oh, shit, I qualified.
Gary's in.
I was not expecting that, but...
so it's a development class?
Yes.
Meaning that everyone's trying to still figure out the cars, figure out how to drive, different things like that.
Yes. I'm going to just put on another set of tires. The car and I have some unspoken bond where it's like, I'm actually looking at my instruments now. I'm looking at my IC7, so it'll be like, but it's like still, so it's like not as much throttle, still tire smoke.
He's growing up.
Yeah.
Little strategy got you into the finals, baby.
Yes.
Let's get some tires on the car and get you out there.
Dedicated to the cause,
Yes,
old John
sir.
Chase
Yes, sir.
Designs. Any advice?
Yeah, don't suck.
Okay.
You know what? Come here. Come here. This guy does a lot of this. Okay, I brought in some help. Okay, I can only.
You've done a burnout in Australia.
I can only teach you so much. He knows a lot more.
I seen you watching from up top.
Yeah.
What do you got? What do you got for him?
Leave it in third.
Okay.
Start in third, leave it in third.
Okay.
Unless you're going fourth. You got enough power to go to fourth?
No.
Start in third, leave in third.
Yes, sir.
And just do what you do.
Start in third.
Turn away from the wall. That's all we know.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you catching what he's saying?
What'd you say?
Turn away from the wall. You got this. I got faith in you.
tried it in third, the car was like, then I shifted second, almost went into the wall because it just shot out from third to second, and then I backed up and I was like, what are we doing? But then, my intuition kicked in and the rest was, I think I damn near crab walked the whole thing in front of the people. I'm hyped. Mr. Adams here.
He did alright. He did alright. He tried killing me on the first tip in, and after that he did alright. And it's still alive, so that's all good.
Summer Nats 2026. I'm joined with Jack Harrison, aka the winner, dude.
Thank you, Rock.